Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents India's biggest online public speaking championship, and this is my official entry for round 1. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ishan Ali, and today in this session I'm going to be taking you through an important topic, that is mindset matters more than the talent you have. Before I get any further in this session, I want to throw you all a question, and that is, why do you think not everyone in this world is successful? Why do you think not everyone is living a happy life? Why do you think not everyone is a millennial? Why do you think not everyone is doing what they wanted to do? Well, I for a fact believe that each and everything boils down to one particular thing, and that is mindset. If someone is doing great in their lives, they must have started with a mindset of doing something big. They must have started with a mindset of fighting against all the odds. They must have started with big dreams. They must have started with a mindset and a belief of doing something they've always wanted. Mindset is nothing but a belief system. And the best part about it is it can be changed and it can be developed over a period of time. If talent was everything, then we all know that IITians are considered to be one of the intelligent and one of the talented people in this country, but they are not the ones who are, not every IITian is, running a company. Not every IITian is at the top-notch position. The reason we all know is the mindset. People from tier 2, tier 3 colleges are evolving and kind of like making things happen for them in their lives. In this context, I want to share with you all my example as a testimony. When I was in school back in the day, I would be the last person standing whenever there comes a chance to show up in front of people. Despite of having all the enthusiasm, despite of having right skill set, I ended up never participating in my school. But when I got out of my school, I decided that I'm not going to live with this fear anymore. I'm not going to live with this anxiousness of being judged. And ever since I changed my mindset, I now show up in front of people. I do things that I want to do. And there's complete paradigm shift, in my head. And that happened just because of the mindset. That happened just because I changed my belief system. And this is, once again I'm saying, this is the best thing about mindset, that it can be changed and it can be developed over a period of time. It's nothing but a belief system and it can be changed. So if you are someone who want to make things happen in your life, if you are someone who want to try different things out, if you want to live life of your own terms, if you want to do great in your life, one thing that you need to do, that you have to decide, you have to change your mindset. You have to change your belief system, and you will realize that this mindset is doing wonders for you. With that said, this is Ishan Ali signing off.